And just taking a big, deep breath. And exhale out. Hello again, my name is River Thomas Galindo, and I invite you to a quick stretch, to a quick release, to kind of balance and restore both sides of our body, the both yin and yang. We want to balance both the northern and southern hemisphere of our brains, and I invite you to find a nice comfortable position. Cross-leg easy pose. Get your yoga mat underneath you, a towel, a blanket. Create some comfort underneath. Get some cushion if you need. Finding yourself sitting deeper in your waist. I invite you again to join us for a little restoration. Get balance. Let's take our index finger and thumb. We're going to inhale through the left nostril. Switch over, plug it up with the thumb at the left nostril, and then exhale out the right nostril. Inhale through the right. Switch over. Exhale out through the left. Inhale in through the left. Do this a couple times. Find the rhythm of the breath. Taking all that rich, healthy oxygen. Taking all your beautiful prana. Exhale, release left hand. Return back into a normal breath. I hope you're doing well. I hope the week's been treating you all right. And I hope that the body is feeling good. And then if it isn't, let's go ahead and get that nice and worked out so that we're feeling good, looking good, and doing good. Inhale, hands up, tall, stretch up, long through the arms, tall through the ribs, long through your fingers, stretching upward, outward, expanding, growing, stretching, reaching. Keep breathing. Exhale, shower the hands out in front of you. Roll the shoulders back. Walk with the arms, with the hands out toward the top of your mat. Lower your forehead as deeply and as far as you can go. Staying grounded and rooted. In through the waist, in through your core, in through the navel, your belly, your bum, your hips. And inhale, slowly slide and roll on up. Place the hands out in front of you. Keep the palms stretched out, fingers out wide. Extended through your arms. Inhale through the tip of the nose. Look upward. Stretch the crown out. Exhale, slowly let the chin fall into the chest. Left and right. Inhale, exhale. And slowly back up into sitting. And now we'll switch the leg placement. If your right was in your left, now your left is in your right. And again, stretch up tall, stretch, reach up, tall, lengthen through your back, through your spine. Keep breathing. Stay anchored in your navel and your belly. Lift up tall, high through your heart and chest. Open up. Take in all that is yours. Take everything that belongs and deserves your time, your effort, your energy. Reach out, grab it. And then exhale. Release the hands out in front of you and then walk it out. Hands to the tops of the mat. Extended arm here, lower the forehead. Surrender through your breath. Exhale, relax your shoulders, your neck. I extend my appreciation and gratitude to you and your family and your lovers and your friends, the people you keep around you. I honor them. I show reverence to them. Thankful for all my relations. Slowly roll up. Arms straight out in front of you still, keeping the palms, fingers wide. Inhale, tip of the nose, up and out. Exhale. And roll the chin in the chest. Left and right again. Again, just finding symmetry and balance in the body. What we do to the left, you want to do to the right. And hopefully that little breathing exercise was able to get you into your body and more in a calm state with the mind and a little bit more steady through your heart. And so for the next couple of series, I want to work on balancing and a little bit of restoration in their spine. So keeping the hands either at the knees or you can grab around the ankles here. Inhale, lift and extend the chest, the heart, the breastbone tall. Leaning forward, up and past the ankles, past the feet. Exhale, round and curl that spine. Tuck in the navel in through your lower back. Inhale, come up. And then exhale, roll on back. Neck, shoulders neutral. Let's stay steady there. Stay nice and fluid through your spine. Couple more times here. Breathe through it. Might feel good through your spine, your mid back, your lower back, maybe even in the hips. Last one, slowly reach out. Exhale back into neutral. Roll the shoulders back. Let's go ahead and bring the right and left arms straight out in front of you, about shoulder height, shoulder distance apart. Palms face down. The back of the hands face the heavens. Relax in your body. Be positive in your breathing. Restore, refuel, rehydrate, replenish, realign. Tips of the fingers stretch out a little further. Allow your cup to be refilled. Allow your medicine bag to be restocked. Breathe in deeper. Breathe into those hard to reach places in the body. Your arms might burn a little bit. That's okay. Keep up. You're looking good. You're doing great. And now bring the arms out to the side. Flip the palms over. The tops of the hands are down. The palms are faced up in the heavens. Index finger and thumb. Hold here. Let them connect. Fingernails don't have to touch, just the fingertips. And we're going to breathe in with the mantra Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. And with each mantra, you're going to roll down the movement of the hands. So index finger, Sa, Ta, middle finger, Na, ring finger, Ma. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Join me if you'd like. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. 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 And if you can, push through the navel and really work through the breath while chanting the mantra. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. 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 Recharging our meridian system, our lymphatic system, charging a deeper magnitude to our charisma and our aura. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. 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 Inhale, hands up. Palms together, suspend the breath, lock it in. Exhale, expand on out with the arms and hands again. Fingers together, thumbs tucked into the side of the hands, side of the fingers. Right hand, right palm above the head, elbow out to the side. Go ahead and engage downward with the left elbow to the side of the rib cage. Palm faced outward. Allow yourself to be blessed and allow yourself to bless others. Blessings to mi madre, mi padre, mi amigas, mi amigos, all my brothers, all my sisters. The Hashi, the sun. La Luna, blessings. Big breath. Exhale. Left arm back out. Shoulder height. Palm up. Right arm back out. Shoulder height. Palm out. Receive. Let go. Accept. Even give yourself a nice smile. Inhale. Hands up. Palms together. Exhale into heart center. And release the hands to the knees. Let's begin in some motion, still working through our torso and our abs, our core, external obliques, the side of our backs. Roll around, inhale, exhale. Upward, long through your heart, outward with the chest. Exhale back, round that spine. Opposite direction. Freeze. Exhale, release. Roll the shoulders back. And now we'll engage into some cat-cows. So find yourself on all fours. No rush. If you have to take a minute to stretch your feet out to get some blood circulating back into the legs, that's okay. Take your time. Ooh. On all fours now, you want your wrist directly underneath your shoulders. Check your placement. About shoulder width apart, with the palms and fingers. The hips are stacked right on top of your knees, and the tops of your feet are as flat to the mat and the ground as possible. And really just allow your body to fall into the earth. Really connect here. Get back into our animal center. See how your back feels. Engage in a conversation. What are you feeling? What sensations is your body experiencing? Allow the belly to relax and fall deeper underneath you. Inhale, begin to slowly stretch and look up and out. And then exhale, roll and squeeze the chin into the chest and try to get the forehead to touch the hips. I know it sounds impossible, but reach long. Really make the arch and the bridge and the bend of your back the highest point of the body. Inhale, come on up. And exhale. On the inhale up, you can stretch through your hips as well if that feels juicy for you. Feel the flow and the motion of your breath, and allow that to translate through the body. If you're holding up some stress in the neck and shoulders, release it through your exhale. Remove it from your field, your energetic space. And speed it up some. And release, neutral back, freeze, stay here. Let go, release. Toes together. Rest the bum back behind you, into the ankles, into the calves. Rest your forehead into our child's pose here. Try to get the forehead as low as you can and bury it deeply into the earth. Check in with yourself. What are you feeling? What emotions do you want to let go? What baggage would you like to leave behind? Release it now. In that exchange, bring in uplifting words. Bring in that encouragement, that confidence, the comfort. Breathe in all the things that you're lacking. Give yourself that space to accept all the good things in life. Breathe it in. Breathe in your compassion. Breathe in your trust, your determination, your self-worth. Recognize that. Have deep reflection with that. I value you. Do you value yourself? And inhale. With the help of the arms and hands, supporting the body up. Now we are in diamond pose. So keeping the knees bent, feet and toes underneath the bum. I'm going to engage into a breath of fire here. One of my favorite practices. I love a good strong breath. And it just encourages so many positive things for the body. Beneficial with purification, healthy circulation of the blood. A really beautiful detoxing practice. So if you'd like to engage in the breath of fire with me, let's do it. Sitting deeply through your waist, through your bum. Find comfort in that. Find security in the body. Inhale tall through your spine, lengthen upward through your crown. Hands together. Secure the fingers around each other, around the hands. Index finger out. Thumbs overlap one another. You want the right thumb to hug the left thumb. And we're going to inhale, hands up tall. This is our cosmic antenna. Reach upward tall. Get a strong connection. Tap into that channel. Get into that frequency. Keep the sides of the head and the arms together. The sides of the arms and heads, keep it close together. And engage in a breath of fire. Inhale, exhale is the same breath, the same rhythm. And it's equalization of the yin and yang. It sounds like panting with the mouth closed, so we breathe only through the nose. If you want to practice with panting first, we can for about 10 seconds. Close the breath, or close the mouth, excuse me. Keep breathing. Pump and pulse through the navel. Inhale. Hold the breath. Reach up longer, taller. Exhale. Expand outward through your arms and hands. Relax the hands to the ground. Roll your shoulders back. Palms to the thighs. Let's just sit there for a breath. Feel the strong drum of the heart. Feel your beautiful radiance. Allow it. Welcome it into the body. Blanket you. Let it comfort you. And let this vibration pulse you into a wider space, a larger space of expansion, of growth, of new experiences. Let it be a magnet source for all things good, all things pure, all things golden, all things love. We're going to do that for one more set, our second set. So take a big inhale. Hands and arms stretch up and out. Interlacing the fingers, index finger pointing upward. Right thumb hugs the left thumb. Squeeze in the side of the arms to the side of the head, close into the ears. When you're ready. Inhale, hold the breath, squeeze it in tight. Exhale, do a little back bend. Reach back with the fingertips and release back into center, neutral. Release the hands and arms back down to the side. Roll your shoulders back and then just sit in the space that you created, in the heat that you're generating. If you're sweating, great. Let it cleanse and purify you from any toxins, from any emotional stress, from any frustration, aggravation. Just let it breeze on by. Right hand into the heart, left hand into the navel. Let's call back into your body, into your space. Feel back into the muscles and bones. Coming back with a stronger sense of your identity, a stronger sense of your truth. Maybe you have a little clearer vision. Maybe this little realignment is going to carry you through the next couple days, next couple weeks. Let's gently bring our hands to the shoulders. Easy there. Just kind of fill into that space. Fingertips, elbows out wide. Let's draw some circles here. Or hearts, smiley faces, infinity symbols, the medicine whale, whatever you want to play and work with, please do so. Flap your wings, you beautiful angel. If you want to balance act here, maybe if you want to dip over to the side with the elbows here, you can do that as well, but just be cautious of your body. Be cautious of your motion. Have awareness in this space. Maybe you're working with some big circles, getting some big waves going. Have fun with it. I encourage you to keep happy and stay elevated. Keep lifted. Keep those around you positive. Smile more. Love a little harder. Maybe hug a little tighter. Rolling the shoulders back now, elbows back. Relax the arms and hands. Cross leg easy pose. With your beautiful, powerful hands, let's bring them together, rub them, create some friction. Still feel some warmth from that fire, generate a little heat. If there's an area in the body that you need healing in, that needs a little TLC, that needs some comfort, apply your hands to that area. Maybe your heart's hurting, maybe your knees are a little out of whack, maybe your back's a little sore, maybe your neck's a little crickety. Find an area in the body that needs a little love. Apply the hands, accept that warmth, accept the healing. To be healthy is to be whole. To be whole is to be holy. Feel the warmth, the beautiful golden honey. And sigh it out. Hands back to the knees. And to close out our practice, we're going to inhale, exhale, hands and arms upward. Right arm, right hand, right palm is facing downward. and the left hand above the right hand. So inhale, exhale. Easy, nothing hard, nothing forced. Protecting your space, your body, your aura, your spirit. Inhale up and exhale down. Palms together, heart center. And to close and conclude, I want to share a mantra. It's a very powerful mantra. It's our Dugra mantra. Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Om Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Om Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Om. Last time. Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Sanatana managa samana. Open up with the hands here, our lotus flower. Keep the thumbs together. The flower of beauty, strength, and purity. Inhale, those are 3 elements. Close the fist. Inhale. Exhale, release. Let's release it all out. Hands back to heart center. I love you. I thank you. Have a great week. Be radiant, be joyful, be positive, be helpful, be of service. I love you so much. Namaste.